Channel V8X, buckle up, because today we're stepping into pure automotive dominance. This is the new Lexus ES 2026, finished in a stunning metallic gray, and right now, you're looking at what modern luxury looks like when it decides to flex. First impression? Aggressive elegance. The front view hits like a statement piece, sharp LED lighting, sculpted lines, and that commanding stance scream confidence. This isn't just a sedan, it's a rolling signature of power and prestige. The metallic gray finish catches every reflection like liquid metal, giving the car a presence that feels alive under the lights. Slide to the side profile, and the ES 2026 shows off pure design discipline. Long, flowing lines create a silhouette that's athletic yet refined. The proportions are perfectly balanced, like a luxury athlete in a tailored suit. This angle alone tells you Lexus engineered every curve for visual impact and aerodynamic precision. Now the rear view. Clean, futuristic, and unmistakably premium. The taillights glow with a signature intensity that looks straight out of tomorrow. It's bold without trying too hard, reminding everyone behind you that sophistication leads the way. Step inside, and the dashboard delivers next-level luxury. Premium materials, digital precision, and an ultra-modern cockpit surround the driver in pure comfort. Every surface feels intentional. Every display feels advanced. This is where technology meets craftsmanship, and the result is nothing short of elite. Under the hood, the engine engineering represents Lexus reliability fused with modern performance tuning. Smooth delivery, responsive power, and refined control. This machine doesn't just move, it glides with authority. Watch it come alive on the highway, where motion transforms design into energy. The metallic gray body slices through air with cinematic grace. The ride is stable, confident, and whisper quiet, exactly what luxury performance should feel like. Then comes the night drive. And this is where the ES 2026 becomes pure theater. City lights dance across the paint, LED beams cut through darkness, and reflections ripple across the body like a moving sculpture. It's not just driving, it's an experience. Back in the showroom, under premium lighting, the Lexus ES looks like a centerpiece. Every angle reflects craftsmanship, every surface radiates precision. This is luxury designed to be admired from every perspective. And let's talk numbers. The new Lexus ES 2026 is expected to land around the mid-$40,000 to low-$50,000 range, delivering flagship styling and premium comfort at a price that punches way above its class. You're not just buying transportation, you're investing in presence, innovation, and status. The Lexus ES 2026 in metallic gray isn't chasing trends, it's defining them. Bold design, refined power, modern luxury. This is what happens when engineering meets attitude. And that's how you elevate every mile. This is Channel V8X, where performance meets prestige. Stay fast, stay premium, and we'll see you in the next ride.